This is Project Beachcomber, an E.C.D custom Defender 110. Beachcomber is painted in full gloss Corris grey with black accents all round. Beachcomber sits on the E.C.D custom made 20-inch wheel with BFG all-terrain tyres and our Brembo brake setup. This 110 also features a full external roll cage, black steering guard, tubular A-bar front bumper with worn winch, 4 round LED lights on the roll cage and 2 LED work lights in the rear. Inside, Project Beachcomber features a Momo Gotham steering wheel and classic gauges, black headliner, Corbeau heated front and middle row seats and 2 jump seats in the rear. Each seat is wrapped in a diamond stitch Cadence licorice leather with steel stitching. Beachcomber also features a custom full-length centre console with front and mid-row AC. This 110 is powered by our LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. Beachcomber also features E.C.D's modern amenities such as JL Audio sound system, wireless charging, CarPlay and access to USB points throughout.